here staring at your face with the lust in my eyes. Sure, don't give a damn, and you don't know that I've been dreaming of you in my fantasy. Never once you looked at me, didn't even realize that I'm wanting you to fulfill my needs. Think what you want, let your mind free, run free to a place no one dares to. How many nights I've laid in bed excited over you. I've closed my eyes and thought of us 100 different ways. I've gotten there so many times. I wonder how I
This is the outfit. My top is actually from Fashion Nova. I love this top. And then the jeans are from H&M. They go a little wider in the knee area, and then they taper back down at the ankle, which I think is so cute. And then I have on my Tom Ford lock sandals. These are the silver ones in the regular leather. And then my Louis Vuitton monogram square on my head. And then accessories, the rings came in a set with these and these from H&M. And then the bracelets came in the stack from Zara. Now for fragrance, we're doing Fenty. Super sexy, blueberry, musky, Bulgarian rose. This is not a blind buy. This is something you definitely want to spray on your skin and walk around with first to see if you love it, but it is so beautiful and a ultimate compliment getter. So I'm also going to put on my Louis Vuitton shades. Now, this came in the trunk collection that was like last year or the year before last. I think maybe like 2 years ago when they did the trunk collection. So I thought it would work well just because like the scarf with like the oversized glasses. And then for a handbag, I'm going to do my Teddy Blake, which I love, y'all. This is one of my favorite handbags. And this was actually gifted to me from Teddy Blake. Love this bag. I do have a $30 off coupon code if you're interested in this. I wish they had this in red. This is what I really wanted for my birthday in red, but they don't make it in. Like, imagine this purse in like my lip color in red. Wouldn't that be beautiful? But they don't make it. And for the quality and price, I think this is like $500 or $600. You just can't beat it. It's just, the quality is insane. So this is the look. Okay, so we just pulled up. So this is gonna be our last date because last week, well, for a little while, next week is the last week of school for the kids. And they're gonna be getting out early. So usually we do our dates during the day and stuff. So I wanted to go somewhere really nice, you know, for our last, you know, date before the summer break starts. And so we're pulling up now, just pulled up to Perry's, which they have a vegan menu. And on this vegan menu, he actually, like, Mr.'s a vegan eater. And so he actually likes their vegan menu, which is like a plus, you know, because a lot of times he'll go places with me just because I want to go, and he'll just try to eat whatever, a salad or something. So it's actually good. I'm gonna have oysters, I'm telling y'all right now. At the age of 39, I just started eating oysters. So my friend introduced me to them. We went to Ocean Air for her birthday, like a month in March was her birthday, and we went to Ocean Air, and she had oysters. She loves the oyster Rockefeller, I think that's what you call them. So I tasted them. She was like, you gotta taste them. I tasted it. It was really good. And so since then, we've been back to Ocean Air. Wasn't the same. So I guess they're like hit or miss. But I've had them here at Perry's since then, and they're really good. So something different, you know, that just lets you know. You may think you don't like something, but just sometimes you just have to try it, no matter how old you are. Maybe try something different, maybe try something that you didn't think you liked or would like, because now I just want to try them everywhere I go, the cooked ones, the Rockefeller. Because I also went to the foodie festival maybe about a month ago with my other friend, and they had a whole like oyster Rockefeller type one of the vendors, and it wasn't good. So it's hit or miss, but nonetheless, when I see him on the menu, I'm gonna try to, you know, give him a try just to see, because you never know. So let's go ahead and Y'all, I'm so glad I tried something different and took a chance on an oyster. Because I love them. They were so good. It was garlic. It was caramelized onions in them. It was a couple different type of cheeses on top. If you've tried the, I think they're called grilled oysters. They said they're not called oyster Rockefellers. They have their own name for them. But if you try them at Perry's, comment down below and let me know what you think about them because they are so tasty. But so it's actually attached to the mall. So I saw last night that H&M dropped their new summer collection, and there's a lot of cute stuff with that, which I'm probably not gonna get because I've been doing too much. I'm not doing it. But there was one scarf that was really pretty. It was like a cream colored, or maybe like this color, and red, that was really, really pretty. So I'm gonna see if they have it in here. If not, I may order it online. I think it was like $17. Beautiful scarf. The lady online had it wrapped around her waist, but I would probably put it on my head or anywhere but the waist. So I'm gonna see. It's really pretty. If you're into scarves, look online and see if you can see it because it's new and it's really nice. So, well, I don't know how nice it is, but it's really pretty. So I'm gonna see if they have it.